Hello and welcome everyone to Variety Stick, and we back again for another video. As you guys can see, we do have the new iPhone SE from Apple, and this variant is Metro by T-Mobile variant. This is completely locked. This is 64 gigabytes. I'm gonna talk about the phone, the main specifications, as well as I'm gonna explain to you the pricing and how you get the phone for $199 from Metro by T-Mobile. So without any further ado, let's find out. Now, before we talk about the pricing, let me explain to you the main specification of the iPhone SE. iPhone SE is basically another iPhone 8 with two major changes on the device. First of all, it will be the processor. The 8 came with A11 Bionic, while the SE came with A13 Bionic chip. The iPhone 8, by the way, 2 GB of RAM, and the iPhone SE 3 GB of RAM. Other than that, the same exact device will be the same camera, 12 megapixel and 7 megapixel on the front. Same camera, basically same sensor, same build constructions, same battery, same wireless charging, all these stuff. And now let's talk about the pricing. Now, first of all, Apple sells the phone for $399 for the 64 variant. Now, if you are a Metro by T-Mobile customer, you will get a different price and you will get discount from the carrier. Now, if you walk into the Metro by T-Mobile store, sign for a new number as a new customer, you will get the phone for $349 US, means you're gonna save $50. Now, if you are exist customer, and I know a lot of people ask, I'm already a customer with Metro by T-Mobile, how much I get the phone for? You will get it for $349 after the tax and the activation fee. Of course, you have to pay that. And now, how to get the phone for the lowest price possible when you bring your number over. So basically, Metro offer $150 off on the phone to bring the price to $199, and this actually a good price because this is basically the half of the Apple retail price. Now let's go ahead and do the unboxing. And by the way, by looking to the package, you will never see Metro by T-Mobile brand anywhere over here. That because this is the Apple policy. Even if this phone locked to Metro by T-Mobile, but the phone doesn't say anything about Metro by T-Mobile. It's gonna say just Apple over here. So that, I believe, makes it difficult to some people when they're trying to buy the phone. They're not gonna be able to distinguish if the phone locked or unlocked. But the phone will be easy to unbox, I believe. Very straightforward. Just go like that and take the plastic and open the lid over here. First thing first, you will see designed by Apple in California. This is very typical, and here is actually the phone. Like, I feel I'm unboxing the iPhone 8, so nothing really special. Let's go ahead and power the device. Set this on the side. You will see just regular 5-watt charger, and you will see the actually Apple earpiece, but those the wired with the lightning cable and the lightning cable. So nothing really special about unboxing this particular device. Now, I would like just to bring actually the iPhone 8 side to side with the iPhone SE, but before we do this, let's go ahead and take that plastic. There we go. Actually, the sound is very satisfying. We're gonna set this later on, and the whole purpose of this video not to actually review the phone. There is many YouTubers did the review already. I'm here just to explain a few things for you, especially the pricing and the availability in Metro by T-Mobile. There we go. So here is actually the 8. Wireless charging, of course, in both devices. Same camera, same design, same thickness, same weight. Actually, it's basically the same build construction, but as I said, there's two major differences. It will be Bionic 13. Actually, the same processor came with the iPhone 11. This is actually a good thing. So I believe the 350 right now, the iPhone 8 while you can get that one from Metro by T-Mobile $199, and you get the latest actually operating system iOS 13. In addition to this, the processor of Apple A13 Bionic, plus 1 more gigabyte difference than the regular iPhone 8, as you guys can see. We can set this on the side. This might take a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and skip and just have a look on the iPhone SE. And after completing the first initial setup, you get to the phone. The phone is basically similar to the older iPhones like the 6, the 7, and the 8, but the phone is redesigned to the iPhone 8, as I said that because the back of the phone is basically a glass. So this is basically the 8, but with a major difference that the Bionic 13 chip and extra 1 gigabyte on the RAM. Other than that, the battery, camera, build construction will be equal to the iPhone 8. And this is, in my opinion, is a good thing, especially for people seeking low price on the device. At the same time, they want to get the best Bionic 13 chip from Apple that gives you good performance actually and good gaming experience on the phone for half a price of the iPhone 11, because the iPhone 11 starts from $750 and goes up. If you want to go to the iPhone 11X or the Pro, basically you can go over $1,200, which is a lot of money for people seeking low price in good performance. Yes, they don't care about the camera, and don't take me wrong, this camera in this phone is not that terrible camera, but it misses actually a lot of the Apple features of the new enhancements on the camera. I believe this is a good step from Apple to offer this phone. They already made the design, so they're not paying any extra money to rebuild another design for the phone. They're only adding the chip to this device and they try and sell it for a lower price. So I believe this is a smart move from Apple. And I believe that was very much it for that video. I wish you guys enjoy and find this video helpful. If you have any question, leave this in the comment below, and you can subscribe for more videos here on Variety Stick and give me a thumbs up to encourage me to upload more videos. Thank you so much, and I will talk to you in the next video, and peace.